In this section we are looking at all types of graphs and charts. And the first type that we are looking at is the bar graph. So this is a way of displaying a frequency distribution. Each category gets a bar, and the height of each bar represents that category's frequency. And the bars should be separated from each other and not touch. And the reason why it says this is because we are going to be looking at a different type of graph which is extremely similar to a bar graph where the bars are not separated. 20 people are asked what their favorite color is. The following frequency distribution shows the results. So 5 have red as their favorite color, 2 have yellow, 10 have green, and 3 have blue. And they want us to construct a bar graph to represent the data and make sure that we label the axes. So the x-axis is going to be the favorite color, and the y-axis is going to be the frequency. The height of the red bar is going to be 5. The height of the yellow bar is going to be 2. The height of the green bar is going to be 10. And the height of the blue bar is going to be 3. And that is our bar graph.